Rich Dad, Poor Dad. This book talks about things that middle-class people like us would never know. Alhamdulillah, Robert Kiyosaki wrote the book, so we got to know about assert and library. The topic of today's video is 6 best assert that make you rich. Among them, assert number 2 is my favorite, and assert number 5 is shock you. Physical products are those that can be held by hand. Digital products are those that cannot be held but are needed for digital work. For example, application, website, music, videos, many more.
Once the digital product works, you get lifetime income, assuming you've created an app that's wildly popular. Now you don't have to work anymore. Your income will be generated by the application. A fairly successful application can earn you up to $1,000/week. You need to make promote video to boost the application. Assert number 2, content creation. You can boost your app from your social media page. In the future, the demand for content creation will increase. New social media accounts will be created and lifetime earning will be from videos. Content creation is an assert. For example, this video will earn from views even after 10 years, for which I have to suffer only one. You can prioritize content creation as assert, your topic. Moreover, there are more unique 4 asserts left, which can help you. Assert no 3. Rent anything. What if I say you can become a millionaire renting a house? It sounds funny, but it's not funny at all. When big businessmen were poor, they loved rent first. When they start earning good money from rent, they invest the money in real estate and business. Assert no 4. Real estate invest. Multi-millionaire. All invest money in real estate. Rule 1 to invest money in real estate. Real estate should not be your personal home. Rule no 2. Invest in real estate in such a way that no one understands. Assert no 5. Stock market invest. My favorite assert is to invest money in others' business. There are still many millionaires who like to invest in other people's businesses. By buying and selling shares, you can make an assertion in the stock market. By investing money in others' shares, you can become rich. If you take more risk, the profit will be more. Invest money in small business companies. If the company is big, your share price will increase. Assert number 6, business. Starting your own business is better than others' business. Start a business that you own. You will work with others. Because if your company can't work without you, then it doesn't fall under assert. Keep in mind that assert means building a source where money will be earned without you. To know more about business, Think and Grow Rich book recommended. Everything said in this video is based on my experience. Learn all the subjects better. Go for the exam. Good luck.